Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use the Stiga Table Hockey Game. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have this Stiga Table Hockey Game. Really easy to use. I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to use it. So let's just move it slightly down. So as you can see right here, on both sides, so on this side and on the opposite side, so wherever the goalie nets are, on those sides, there are these rods. Now essentially for the rods, what you can do is two motions, so two things. Two ranges, I should say. The first one is out and in. So you pull them out and in like that. Okay, pull them out and push them in like that. And the second thing is spin them around in both directions. Spin them around in either direction, just like that. So what that translates to on the ice, so on the fake ice that I'm talking about over here, is when you pull the rods out and in, like that, when you pull and push them out and in, the player's gonna go back and forth, as you can see, okay? And when you turn them in either direction, the player is going to spin. So essentially, you got to combine those two things, pulling and pushing and spinning in either direction to get the player to do exactly what you want, okay? So let's just say, just for instance, that I wanted this player to bring the puck forward and shoot it, okay? I would pull the rod out to bring the player forward, and then I'd spin it to shoot it, and just like that, I scored because I'm a champion, obviously. So, as you can see over here, you basically maneuver the rods to maneuver the players to hopefully shoot the puck and score, okay? Now, there are scorekeepers over here, so you can slide these along, and these things will allow you to keep score. That's another way to use it, okay? And each rod corresponds with a different player on the ice. So you can see right here, this is the goalie. This is all the way back here, this person back here. This one's over here. This one's in the middle over here. This one's on this side. And this one's all the way on that other side, that far side over there, okay? This over here is to shoot the puck out if you score. So if you score, you can shoot the puck out like that. Just hit that little sort of button over there and it pops the puck back out and you can play again. So that's basically how to use it. It's that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.